I'm creating my own coloring book mashup using 2 pages from different coloring books. I chose this page with the girl at the window, and then from this other coloring book, I tried to choose a page that had items on it that looked like they were the same proportion as the one with the girl with the window, in hopes that I can create a mashup masterpiece. And I like to tape down my image, that way it doesn't move around when I'm trying to cut things out and glue things on. Now I have a scanner/copier at home, so making a copy is fairly easy for me. The cardstock that I'm using is much thicker than regular paper, and you can get it at Walmart. I think it was about $6. And I'm just going to cut out a few of these little monsters because I don't want to overdo it. And all I'm doing is just kind of placing them to see what they look like, moving them around. You can do anything you'd like with them. And to glue them on, I just used a glue stick that I think I got from Dollar Tree. And the last thing, I'm just going to make a quick copy of this page because as I'm coloring, I don't want all the hard outlines of the cutout. So making a copy will make it smoother as I color. This is not necessary to do. It's just something that I prefer. You can color the page with the cutouts as is. And to do a mashup, you can pick any coloring pages that you would like. For instance, you can pick an outer space theme type coloring book and maybe a coloring book that has dolls, and just mix them up any which way you'd like. They don't have to be a theme that matches, and really, the more they don't match, the more mashup you get. I'm coloring with some of the Ohuhu alcohol markers, but you can use any markers you'd like, colored pencils. And here's the final page, and you really can't even tell that those little monsters weren't part of the original page. And be sure to check out my other coloring book videos to see different coloring sessions, challenges that I've come up with, and other unique ideas.